Let's make rewarding your customers simple and seamless. From Manage Loyalty, navigate to Manage Loyalty Discounts to get started. Activate your loyalty tiers and customize their settings by clicking on each tier. Define a threshold, the minimum spending required to unlock each tier. Choose how long customers have to upgrade, 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. Here's how your tiers work. Silver tier, reward your customers with a 5% discount. Gold tier, boost their loyalty with a 10% discount. Platinum tier, treat your best customers to a 15% discount. Want to celebrate events like National Day or run a limited time promotion? It's simple. Create a custom discount in just a few steps. Enter a title. Set the discount percentage. Pick the start and end dates. Decide who gets the discount. Apply it to all customers, or select a custom list by uploading a CSV file or manually adding customers. Managing your loyal customers is just as easy. From Manage Loyalty, navigate to Loyal Customers to get started. Add customers to your loyalty program in 3 simple steps. Tap the plus icon. Enter their mobile number. Assign them to a tier, Silver, Gold, or Platinum, and you're done. Your customer is now part of your loyalty program. Rewarding your customers has never been this easy.